Welcome, everyone. Today we're diving into the world of aromatherapy, a practice that not only delights the senses, but also offers a myriad of health benefits. Before we dive into some do it yourself blends, let's understand what aromatherapy is. What is aromatherapy? Aromatherapy involves the use of essential oils to enhance a person's overall health and emotional well being. Essential oils have been used for centuries for their therapeutic properties. These concentrated plant extracts are derived from flowers, leaves, and other parts of various plants. Now let's look at some of the benefits of aromatherapy. Let's start with one of the most sought after benefits, stress relief. Essential oils like lavender and chamomile are known for their calming effects. Inhaling their aromas can help reduce stress levels and promote relaxation. Number two, improve sleep quality. Struggling with sleep, aromatherapy might be the answer. Scents like lavender, bergamot, and cedarwood can promote relaxation and can create a tranquil atmosphere, promoting a more restful night's sleep. Number three, enhanced mood. Need a mood boost? Citral oils like lemon and orange are excellent choices. They can uplift your spirits and create a positive atmosphere, contributing to an emotional well being and help boost your energy. Number four, headache relief. Say goodbye to headaches. Peppermint and eucalyptus oils are known for their ability to alleviate tension and may provide relief from headaches and migraines. Number five, immune support. Essential oils aren't just about relaxation, they can also support your immune system. Oils like eucalyptus and tea tree have antimicrobial properties that can potentially support the immune system. Number six, focus and concentration. Whether you're working or studying, essential oils like peppermint and rosemary can enhance your focus and concentration. Number seven, reduce anxiety. Scents like lavender, chamomile, and bergamot are often associated with calming effects and can reduce anxiety. Number eight, relaxation. Essential oils like eucalyptus or frankincense can induce a sense of relaxation, easing tension in both the body and the mind. It's essential to note that while aromatherapy may offer these benefits for some individuals, its effectiveness can vary and should not be a substitute for professional medical advice or treatment. Now let's get hands-on and I'll walk you through how to make your own aromatherapy blends. Number one, choose your base oil. Start with a carrier oil like jojoba, sweet almond oil, or coconut oil. This will dilute the essential oils and also make them safe if you want to use them in a topical application. Number two, select your essential oils. Pick your favorite essential oils based on the benefits you're seeking. Craft a balanced scent by combining the calming scents like sweet aroma of lavender with uplifting ones like citrus for a well-rounded scent. For relaxation, try lavender, chamomile, or frankincense. Citrus oils like bergamot are fantastic for mood enhancement, while peppermint and eucalyptus offer an invigorating experience. Number three, proportions matter. Remember, a little goes a long way, so use around 10 to 15 drops of essential oil per ounce of carrier oil. Adjust based on your preferences and the potency of the oils. For a milder blend, reduce the concentration accordingly. Number four, experimentation. Don't be afraid to experiment. Start with small batches, tweaking the essential oil ratios until you find your desired fragrance. Keep a record of your blends to recreate your favorites in the future. Number five, mixing techniques. Mix your essential oils thoroughly by gently swirling and stirring. Allow the blend to sit all day, allowing the oils to synergize and develop a harmonious scent. Number six, storage considerations. Preserve the potency of your blend by storing it in a dark glass bottle. Amber or cobalt blue bottles are ideal as they protect the oils from light exposure. Keep your blend in a cool, dark place to extend its shelf life. Label each bottle with the blend's purpose and the date of creation. Now let's go over some application methods. Number 1, topical application. Apply the blend to your pulse points, wrists, or the back of your neck for a personal fragrance experience. Or add to your moisturizer or lotion. Number 2, diffusion. Use an aromatherapy diffuser to fill your living space with the captivating aroma of your blend. Number 3, bath. A great way to relax is to soak in a bathtub with Epsom salts infused with your essential oils. Number 4, massage. Turn your blend into a massage oil for a relaxing and therapeutic experience. Safety precautions. Remember, it's important to dilute your essential oils and use them with caution as they are highly concentrated. Before using any essential oils, be aware of any potential allergies or sensitivities. If you have specific health concerns, consult with a healthcare professional before using any essential oils. Remember, the key is to experiment and find what works best for you. Essential oils are versatile, so feel free to adjust the ratios and explore different combinations. It's all about creating a personalized experience tailored to your preferences and needs. So there you have it, the incredible benefits of aromatherapy and a simple guide to crafting your own blends. Whether you're seeking relaxation, better sleep, or an energy boost, aromatherapy has a scent for every mood. Until next time, take care, and thank you for watching.